Hi, this is Minerva, and today I'm going to show you how you can get a free trial to get Wrike. What is Wrike, you might be asking yourself? Well, Wrike is a cloud-based collaboration and project management tool that helps users manage projects from start to finish. And that's great, especially if you believe in scheduling like I do. What does this mean for you and your organization? It means that you can have full visibility and control over tasks. It's an end-to-end solution that takes project from initial request to tracking work progress and reporting results. Before I show you how to get a free trial of this awesome project management tool, don't forget to like this video and click on subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up a tab in a browser that you're using. And you want to make sure that you write Wrike Project Management and click enter. And here we're going to look for Wrike pricing. So if we look down here, you can see if we keep going, you have a section where it says versatile and robust project management software, and it's Wrike. And you can also go to www.wrike.com, and we're going to go into pricing. So I'm going to click on pricing. And if you arrive anywhere else on the website, you can go over at the top to find pricing and click on pricing, and it should bring you back to this page. So if we scroll down, we can see the plans and packages that they have for every team. It also says right here the amount shown is price per month and billed on an annual per user basis. So they have 4 main plans, and you can see they have a free plan with up to 5 users. They also have a professional plan, which can be for 5, 10, or 15 users, and the price is per user per month. And then here they have a business one that is from 5 to 200 users, and of course the price is shown by user per month. Also, they have an enterprise solution that may work for you, and with that one they don't show any price. You have to contact them for that solution. So if you want to try this project management tool, they do have a free trial. If you click on any of these to start a new free trial, you'll get a 14 days to try it out. I currently have this enterprise level free trial, and it lets me put up to 25 users so I can test it out and make sure that it's working exactly like I want it to work for up to 25 users. If you have up to 5 users and you want to just use the free trial, then that's what we're going to do right now. And you're going to click on sign up now. So let's do that. Click on sign up now. And in here, you're going to put in your business email. And here I'm going to put minerva.gory@madschedules. And I'm going to click on create my Wrike account. And then here it's going to ask me to provide my best possible experience. It's going to ask me if how would you describe your interest in using a solution like Wrike. You can click on here to choose whatever you want. I'm going to click just looking, and I'm going to put here that ideally I want 1 to 5 users to be able to use Wrike. You put whatever is right for your organization, and then here, does your team follow a process for managing work? I'm going to put no, because I don't want to enter a comment for other, and I'm going to submit results. And then it says, thanks for helping us out. Don't forget to check your email to confirm your registration. So to confirm my registration, I'm going to have to go to my email and then click on the email to get back in here. So I'm going to go do that. Once you click on your email, you will get another window where you're going to enter all the information for your company. And once you have done that, you will have here the trial that you're going to start. So right here, it lets you choose a free trial, and it asks you to select the plan you'd like to try. And it says all trials are free and valid for 14 days. And it says right here that it is recommended to get the professional one, and you can confirm your trial. But if you want to continue with the free plan, it's in small letters over here. It says continue with free plan. So if you are sure you just want the free plan, you do that. And we're going to continue with free plan. So click on continue with free plan. And here you can start adding your teammates as users to Wrike. So here you're going to put your teammate's name. For the purpose of this video, I have created two fictional users here. I went ahead and got emails for them so I can invite them here. So I'm going to click on invite. And you, of course, will put your teammates' real information in here, and so that they can get an invite and they can start working and trying this project management tool for themselves. I'm just doing that for the purpose of this video. And in here, when you start it up, there's a video that comes up that it's called Setting Up Your Workspace, and it's for getting started with Wrike. So it's about a 4-minute video. You can click on play, or you can click on start working or close off. We're going to click on start working. And there you go. This is very easy to set up and get into Wrike so you can start working. I do have an affiliate link that is in the video description. If you're planning to get subscription, please click on the link and I'll get a small commission that helps me continue creating new videos for you that you find useful on this channel. So go ahead and click on the link. Thank you.